Hello everyone. My name is Yuki Matsuda. I'm the Queen of Mrs. Unity World 2025, representing Japan. My advocacy is diversity inclusion. Especially, I focused on people who have difficulties. By working at employment support facility over 3 years, I met many of them. They all have talented skills. Just they are a little bit difficult to work on the same schedule in a society. Because of that, they are categorized as disabled or disordered. One of their wish is to expand their world. But sadly enough, through that filter, they have less opportunities to connect with other societies. By the way, do you remember this one? Yes, this is my souvenir for all of you. We handcrafted one by one together, and they are very excited to connect with Unity World as their new community through this project. I believe if people can honestly value others' talent, instead of pointing out their difficulties, we can unite stronger and create better world. As Mrs. Unity World Queen, I will keep working and supporting them to expand their world. This is my advocacy. I have a dream. One day, we will not need to use the word diversity, inclusion.